Want to know how to back up your photos only in Google One? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. You can just simply open up your Google One application and you should be under the home screen right here. So make sure you are logged in and everything. And once you're here, you should be seeing two options, backup and cleanup. Now since we are backing up our data, which is our photos, we can just simply select that. So now once you have that set up, as you can see right here, it would show you your backup which is available. So in order to enable your photos and videos, you can just simply select this enable icon right here. So just simply select that, and here it should be enabled just like this. If you want to just enable photos, you can just simply disable all the device data as well. You can just simply select disable just like this right here, and it should be turned off just like this. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of similar videos. See you in the next one.